Welcome to PABX and Electronics. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks. This video is from Telephone Exchange Panasonic TDA100D. TRS level means Trunk Restriction Service Level Setting. TRS levels are total 7 in this. Number 1 is Trunk Dialing Enable, and 7 is only Intercom Dialing Enable. 2 to 6 are programmable. To go to the programming mode, we will press the program button. Enter password *12344. PGM code 301. Enter. Enter. Again enter. Level 2. 03. Mobile dialing restriction code. Press store key for save. Change the level by pressing the forward key. Level 3. 0. International dialing restriction code. Press store key for save. Change the level by pressing the forward key. Level 4. 03. Press store key for save. Level 4 Series 2. Level 4 we apply 2 codes. Next. 0. Press store key for save. Level 4 restrictions mobile and international. Levels 5 and 6 can include any restriction code. The trunk restriction levels are as follows in the default setting, and are in the same order from class of service 1 to 7, i.e. TRS level 1, class of service 1. If you want to change the class of service of a TRS level, see below. Video is over. Thanks for watching.